To improve the quality of the colors that we choose, we'll need to find a photograph that we can reference with the true colors on. I've already done this, which I'll open in parallel with this picture. So I'll go to File and Open, retrieve the image. Which opens here. Then I can zoom in and find the color using the color picker to choose the color. Choose it where it's, there it is. That is indicated down here. Then returning to my original picture, I can then retrace my path with the paintbrush, going over the original soldier as so. Obviously, you can spend more time on it than I need to. And there we have a good bit of color. And of course, that works with any of the soldiers as their uniform is all the same. So there we have selecting a color from another image and transferring it onto our original image.